Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. So in this new video I'd like to talk about Skin Builder and I'd like to show you all the options available with Skin Builder. So here we have this example is Jill Valentine from Resident Evil 3 and let's apply some options using Skin Builder here with Jill Valentine. After download Skin Builder and import it to Daz Studio, you get it here. So you open My Daz 3D library, then People, Genesis 8 Female, Materials, then Skin Builder 8. So Skin Builder is available in Daz Studio Store, Skin Builder 8 for Genesis 8 Female, and there is here Skin Builder 3 for Genesis 3 Female. Actually, we don't have Skin Builder for Genesis Male 3 and 8 Male, but I really like Skin Builder. There is so many options here. You can add so many details for your character, and let's see that in Daz Studio. Of course, you make sure that you select your character here, then you open Skin Builder. Okay, so here what we have exactly, so we have settings, skin, here we have some options like details for the skin, and here we have so many of these details like the points and the face, and so as you can see here so many other details, other options like natural options. And okay, we have makeup. You can here create the makeup, change the color, do so many things. You can here change here so many other details in the face. You can change the eyes color and the options here can, so like fantasy, tone, color, blend, so many options. It's amazing. Also you can change the lashes for the eyes, the nails, so many other some okay adult options here, but okay, let's come back here. Skin, makeup, so every anglets here have like options. For example, in makeup we have shadow, lips, so I really like it. Skin Builder is amazing. So Skin Builder is created by Disco Pop and Zef Zero, and when I start my channel I create a video about Skin Builder 8 and I put link to download for free, and then I received strike from YouTube and everything, and I'd just like to say sorry because I'm just a beginner and I start my channel and I don't know so many things about Daz Studio. When I do that, I like to say sorry for Zef Zero because I do that. I'm really sorry. Okay. And in this video, of course, I put link if you like to buy it from the Daz Studio store. Okay, so let's see an example here. We have here this camera. I select my character. I open Skin Builder. Then let's apply, for example. Okay, so like some details here. Make it like that. Then makeup. Let's make it like a red, and let's make it like that, and like it red like that. For the eyes, okay, let's make it like that. Then let's see, and let's create like some effect here, like tan, like sun effect. For example, okay, let's make it like that, normal edges, and okay, so let's apply that. So it's really important, so when you click apply one of these options, it take some time, 1 minute to 2 minutes, because actually that's usually like change the texture of your character, create a new texture and change the texture. It's normal, but for me here in this video I speed up the video, okay, let's take it 1 minute or 2 minutes. So let's, for example, apply these options. Okay, so let's see that. So let's apply the other options. I don't know if it is already applied. Let's apply these options too. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Let's close that. Change here to NVIDIA. So that's clear. We have some effects, like some points here. Let's zoom. So actually we have So actually we have this effect here. It's look great. And let's see, okay, so let's see the sun effect. I'll need to do that. So I need to rotate the light. Okay, this is my light, Erdota light. Let's rotate it. So it's clear here we have the options. Let's make it more clear. So let's can see the effect, like sun effect. Okay, so let's come back here. Come back like that. Yeah, it's look nice. And this is like some options available with this skin builder. I really like skin builder. I really like skin builder, and I'd like to say thank you for this Kebab and Chef Zero for this amazing content for Daz Studio. So let's render, and I'd like to show you the final result. Okay, nice. So here I have my render. It's clear here. There's options, points. Okay, and let's open it with Lightroom. Imported. Just I like to show you something here. So I open it with Lightroom, develop. Then when I click here, like that, less contrast. You can see here more like that. Just to show you the the details. You can see the details here clearly. And let's apply one of my presets. For example, okay, let's see this one. Copy, paste. Yeah. So you can see here I can change here something. Okay, I think it's good. It's good like that. Okay. So this is just like some options that you can do with Skin Builder. There is so many other options as I show you. Skin Builder is really amazing. So I hope you enjoy the video, and as always, if you like to get my presets and the light that I use, actually the portrait light from Erdota light here, you can get it all from the link description, or you can get from here. So I hope you enjoy the video, and so see you in the next video. Ciao.